Guys, welcome back to Three Styles for another video. So today is Sunday 17th, October 17th. So tomorrow, Monday, the market will open, and I thought of starting a new thing for you guys. Maybe Sundays, where I will give you like 3 plays for potential quick profits. You know, as I'm a swing trader, so that's what I look for. So we're gonna be talking about 3 of them today and why. And remember, I'm a swing trader, so these are not meant to be holds, guys. I don't research companies as far as long holds. If you guys want to, any long holds, I would say go with TQQQ. That's what I always recommend. But if you're trying to get into swing trader and make more money, and I post one of my videos towards the end that you could click on, where you could see what the difference is, what my percentages that I make. But yeah, as a swing trader, guys, remember this one, you're meant to take profit for them. So I would say maybe if any of them goes under the SMA 21, if you watch my channel enough, that's where you would take profit. Okay, so let's start with AMC, guys. So I made a video on this 3 trading days ago right here, right? You guys might not see much here, but what I saw over here was that, let me show you in the 3 months, that the MACD was starting to end its negative little run. You can see it was sneaking up, and sneaking up, right? So by this point here, it was very close to crossing. Not only that, but the PSARs, guys, right? So if they're over, you sell, but if they're under, you buy. And they're getting closer and closer and closer and closer to touching. So 3 trading days ago, without no sure signal yet, I told you it might be an early case of everything reversing, right? And yeah, it reversed. The PSAR is reversed, and this is now over my HMR 14 line, and it's now over the SMA 21 line, the white line. And yeah, it's a little trend so far, only 3 days in, but I see this maybe being a bigger trend, guys. As you can see, this one really, if you follow the MACD's histograms and the signal, the histograms are the bars and the signals are the signal lines are the lines. AMC does seem to follow it very well. See, passed down here, it went negative, passed here, started another little run, and down here another little negative run, and right here they just crossed 2. So this is what makes me believe that a nice little run is coming. But like I said, I'm a swing trader, so always watch yourself. If if something doesn't pan out, exit. So that's why AMC is one of them, guys. Another one that I have an eye out, because let me get to it real quick. It's GAMB, ticker symbol GAMB. It's gambling company. Now why this is on my radar, guys, let me show you in the month, because it was spiking under my, I have side screens, but you can see, you can only see my front screen. But yeah, under my I have my technical analysis stuff, and it's spiking as far as volume day after day. The past 3 days by about like 13-15% per volume per day, which is really good. And as you can see it in the candles, it's been going up 20, not 20, what was it last day? Yeah, about an average about 10 to 12% per day, and it's up like 32% I think already in just 3 days. So why this is here, not only the volume spike that I was shown, but also same thing here, PSARs, right? It was coming down from a negative end, and it just started a positive run too right here. That, and the fact that it's over now the SMA 21, the SMA 50, and my HMR 14 lines, and the PSARs. And it's, the further it gets away from it, the better the signal is. So that's why this is on my list for this week. They could grow a lot more. The company, it looks like it just IPO'd. From what I see, the chart doesn't move candles wise from 3 months to 6 months to a year, so it might have just IPO'd. As you can see here, the crossover is good on the histogram also. That's why this is on the list. But just remember, if something doesn't pan out, this could make great profits. But if something doesn't pan out, let it go, or follow the SMA 21. And if they go under it, that's when it's time to take profit or let it go. So the next one on the list is Berkeley Lights, or ticker symbol BLI. This one also started a similar run. This one was a little bit back, guys. Now this one, the thing about this is mostly it's a down trailing company, but sometimes that means big profits when it do go up for a little while. And everything just crossed over here too, except the SMA 50, but it crossed over the SMA 21, the histogram, same thing. This one has like 5 days in a row, guys. This one went up 41% since it started its little run already. Now what I like about this, it's that it keeps following a trend pattern, guys, and that's always a good thing, right? When it follows a trend pattern so good, it'll usually keep it going, right? If you look at the bottom of the prices, let me show you guys a line real quick. I usually don't do this in screen, but so if you make trend line damn it, you're supposed to move it. Okay. Being so annoying. All right, if you make a trend line, right, there's one there on top, and then I will make another one. But imagine another bottom one. It's following perfectly, guys. So that's perfectly. Sometimes when it does that, that's what you want to get into. Remember when I told you guys CEI and how this was a nice perfect trend line, even with the red day over here, and it followed top and bottom, it followed that trend line, and then it broke it over here, and that's when I told you guys to be cautious, and that's when it started going down, when I told you guys to be cautious that day. But yeah, same thing, guys, because trend lines that are so smooth and so good, they really do work like that. So that's why this was a good one to be watching. Also, who knows how much the potential of this is, but from where it has been, it's very, very, very low at right now, guys. Let me check the month. If I show you the 3 months, and it still has a ways to go before it even hits anywhere near overbought on the RSI. So those are my 3 picks that I would say keep an eye out for this week upcoming. Remember, I'm a swing trader. If you're trying to be a swing trader, you could get into it, but then just remember to take profits, because I'm not someone that holds. I'm never left holding the bad guys. But yeah, peace. Let me know if you like these type of videos, and subscribe if you haven't. Give a like. Thanks.